Hello everyone, welcome back to Radio Pods. Today I'm gonna introduce you DOSS 18 liters portable fridge. The model number is PF18. If you go out for a picnic or camping, the DOSS portable fridge can keep your food fresh and your drinks cold. It has 18 liters capacity, can hold up to 22 canned drinks. It is powered by Compressor, which is formerly Danfoss, and also comes with electronic temperature control. The cooling range is 8 to -18 centigrades. It is connected with DC 12 volts or 24 volts. The power consumption is 0.73 amps per hour. It is designed with vibration resistant function, and it is safe to run on angles up to 30 degrees from horizontal, so it is great for four-wheel driving. It has 3-stage battery protection, so it will automatically power off when input voltage drops too low. The package comes with a cigarette power supply, a carry belt, and an instruction book. Now let's take a look at the digital control panel. There are 4 buttons: power button, set button is for the battery protection, and the up and down for the temperature adjustment. There are 2 layers inside for the better organization. The insulation is made by PU foam, which can keep the temperature cool for a longer time. And there is an internal LED light for the night using. Please don't forget, the portable fridge comes with 3 years warranty. If you want to get more information about product, please visit our website www.radiopods.com.au. And also you can visit our Facebook, Twitter to get latest product information. Thanks for your watching.